me, ma'am. I found this wallet. Is it yours?
No, Habibi, I haven't lost anything, but I hope you find who did. Do not worry, child. We will find it.
Oh, my son, what are we going to do? Sir, I believe this belongs to you.
My son, thank you. I thought it was lost forever. May Allah bless you. Ahmed, my son, Allah be praised, you are safe. Yes, grandfather, I am home. Please accept this reward for your kindness. Your gratitude is enough, respected uncle. I cannot accept this. मैंने ये काम अल्लाह की रज़ा के लिए किया है. O Allah, please protect Ahmed. Grant him success and happiness, and make him among the righteous.